Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can keyframe zoom in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, you have the zoom option once you're in the edit page. Under the inspector and transform, you have the option to zoom in or out. Now, if you want to keyframe this, you can gradually zoom in from one space to another, or from one time to another, and then you can zoom out gradually and do whatever you want. The way you keyframe this is you pick the starting point where you want your zoom to change. For example, I'll start at the beginning, and I want that to be the full zoom or the normal amount of zoom, which is 1 on both the X and Y axis. And I'm just going to hit this diamond button here and it's going to turn orange, and that just created a keyframe for this point of the zoom. Now, when I drag the selector or the cursor wherever I want into a different sort of time, let's say at 2 seconds, and I want that to be zoomed in this much, as you can see, I'll just zoom it in and it created a new keyframe automatically. Now if I go all the way to the beginning and play the video, as you can see, it's gradually going to zoom in until it reaches that maximum value. Now I'm going to go all the way to, I don't know, 6 seconds, and then I'm going to just reset. I'm just gonna go to 6 seconds and I'm gonna zoom out to 1. I'll just write 1 here, and now if I go all the way to the beginning, as you can see, it's gonna start zooming in until it's 2 seconds, and it's gradually gonna start zooming out until it reaches 6 seconds, and that's basically how you keyframe zoom. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.